The federal government has reaffirmed its commitment to prioritizing research and development as a strategy to strengthen value chains in life sciences, pharmaceuticals, and other critical sectors to improve healthcare delivery in the country. The Minister of Health and Social Welfare, Professor Ali Pate, stated this at the Transitional Research Boot Camp and Conference organized by the National Institute of Pharmaceutical Research and Development in collaboration with Spark Global USA, held in Abuja. Professor Pate explained that the government is actively supporting the development of a robust research ecosystem with focus areas including science and technology, artificial intelligence, and sustainable funding for primary health care.
The delivery, the primary healthcare expansion, the financing, the secondary facilities, tertiary facilities, teaching, training, the services being provided to really build that capacity to have a functional healthcare market that delivers services that is affordable. We're still a long way from where we should be, but I think we're making steady progress over the last 2.5 years.
In his remarks, the Director General and Chief Executive Officer of NIPRD, Dr. Obi Adigwe, describes science as a necessity rather than a luxury, stressing that it remains the foundation for public health, economic growth, and national security.
Benefits directly from your intellect. There will be products that can solve problems in society, processes that will change lives, and the impact will be felt. That is the greatest type of evidence that can be used by scientists, by friends of science, and by policy makers who are in support of science to defend science in a sustainable manner.
We are launching the first ever manufacturing academy in Africa right here at the Hilton in 2 days' time. Empower Academy is going to be launched in 2 days' time. This is part of the ecosystem that we're building. We are building supply chains. Somebody mentioned medical, creating market access, but also bringing in finances.
Also speaking, the co-director and vice president of Spark Global, Professor Kevin Grimes, said the conference aims to maximize the health and well-being of Africans through high-impact collaborative research.
As academics, we don't typically study or be trained in translational research. We tend to be trained in basic research. And that's why the Spark program came into being.
The bootcamp and conference brought together scientists from universities and research institutions across Africa to foster collaboration and align with the federal government's current research and development priorities. CNN News.